Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy JJRS aka Honda G. I am doing a video on this wireless charging mount for a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord 8th Gen. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you something real quick, man. This was in the package right here. This is the mount right here. You know what I'm saying? Then over here, underneath here, this is the wires that I have to connect to into my car, which I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. You know what I mean? So as y'all can see, this is a storage unit right here. I was supposed to put it in here, but this is too small, like way too small and all that. I have to use this original one, this OEM one. But I'm going to find a way real quick because I'm going to take this screen out of this and I'm going to put it on this. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to find a way to do it magically because, you know, anything work possible. And it's really not that hard to do. So, and out of it, I already did the hole. There's big holes for the wires and stuff to go in, and I'm gonna do the top one next. So this wires could go in for this screen, you know, because this connected to this video that I did, you feel me? So I'm gonna just do what I gotta do, make sure everything is thorough, make sure everything is right. So let's get it. So in order for me to get this out, I gotta remove this whole middle thing. Not this, just this part. You know what I'm saying? And I gotta pry it out through here and stuff to get all this out. You feel me? See, bingo. I gotta move this too. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Then now, what I gotta do for me to get this off, I wanna remove this lighter plug right here, the cigarette lighter plug. You feel me? Then now, what I gotta do to get this part off is to unscrew these two, just the bottom part. See, now I removed this and it's stuck because there's a plug right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like a plug like on the inside, like right here, that I have to disconnect. Alright, so look now, or for me to get the screen out, I gotta unscrew 4 of these in the back, like 1, 2, 3, 4. As y'all can see, it's 4 of these literally, you know what I'm saying? So alright, so now this is out, you know, almost out. I got a problem with this, but I'm gonna get this out. But I just want to show y'all that I gotta, or for me to get this really out, I gotta disconnect. Like, I have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, and the one on the bottom. You can't see it because of this shit, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it is. Alright, so look, for this, I was thinking, I unscrewed these two and this two. So I unscrewed 4 sides. Look, I'm gonna take it off. Took half of this off. I took half of this off, and then what I was thinking is that, you know, because this screen over here doesn't fit this, so what I was thinking is that I might just put it on this, but the bottom gotta come out because the bottom is not gonna fit on the wireless charger like that. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably cut this bottom in half. Maybe, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this because I really need that screen. You feel me? Like, I really need that screen for my radio. You know, so let's get it. So yeah, I did the best I could. You feel me? Like, I done cut the bottom out with the wood cutter, which is hard, but I did it. You feel me? So I'm about to put this on here. I'm gonna have to plug this in and put it on this real quick for a test, just to make sure it fits. You feel me? So yeah, check this out. You know, this is a test fitment right here. Everything fits. You know what I'm saying? I had to adjust this, but it's like a little tiny space, but it's not too tiny, so it will definitely go in here. And all you gotta do is put your phone in there, and it will wirelessly charge. But I have to do the wiring and stuff, so I'm just test fitting this. So I'm gonna definitely do this, man. Let's get it. All right, so look, for this to work, all you gotta do is plug this in. There's a plug right here and stuff, the 12 volts is plug and stuff that you gotta connect to, and this is easy. This will go on this over here, you feel me? You can't see it, but I'm about to plug it in and show you what I'm talking about. But this USB part has to be plugged onto this to connect this. So I'm gonna definitely show you what I'm talking about. So for this wiring, right, I just figured something out. I thought I was gonna have to do a hole like on the side, but I already made a big hole and stuff. So that way the wiring could go through, like every wire, like the USBs will go through. So I gotta plug in the USB and stuff, and I'm gonna run it all the way through. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So basically, unfortunately, I had to put a hole in this. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, literally, I had to put a hole in this from the soldering machine that I got. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't find my drill bit, so this is the best I could do. And I know it's ghetto, but I'm about to shave the hole so that way it'll come out smooth, so it won't, you know, scrape the wire, cut the wire, anything like that. You feel me? So I did what I had to do. So as y'all can see, you know, I was able to run the wire through this hole that I melted, you know what I'm saying, and this hole too as well. It went through. This one was a little tight, but it went through, so all I gotta do is plug it up to this right here. Then, you know, this is connected. I already connected it, you know what I'm saying, and I'm about to test this out just to make sure. So let's get it. Alright, so look, this is connected, everything's connected. Before I start this off, all I'm gonna say is that you have to start the car for this to work, and the light has to be, it's supposed to be a green light, so you know, I'm gonna show you a great example. Boom, it's blue and green. That means it's working, right? So when I put this on, it's gonna charge. Boom, you see that? Then it's charging and all that. So I'm just testing this out. Make sure everything works. You know, everything is connected, as you can see right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna definitely put everything back. And this right here, I know this is modified, and all I gotta do is like screw these two bottom in and I'm good. That's it. Alright, so look, everything is connected. You know what I'm saying? The voltage charger right there. My battery is still good. You know, I connected it. I stored it on the bottom so it won't hit this shifter while I'm shifting and all that. Right here, I gotta put this back on. I'm gonna put everything back on. Make sure everything is good, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see me do that right now. So yeah, man, everything is done, and I connected everything back. I put everything back to where it was. This part right here is loose, but it's okay because it's not going to come out because it's stuck under this, underneath this, so it won't really come out, which I'm not even bothered by it too much, but I'm going to fix that when I get the chance. And this right here, this is the magnets. Both of these, you got to put them, I think it's all three of them that you got to put them on the back of your phone, which I'm probably not going to do because, you know, I might not use the wireless charging much, but I'm just going to do it when I use like Apple CarPlay, maybe wireless Apple CarPlay and all that. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's going to work out. You feel me? So, you know, I'm going to test it out again just to make sure. Alright, so as y'all can see, the green light is on and stuff like that. And I'm going to put this in just to make sure this works. It's charging. You know what I'm saying? It's a small gap, like I said. But good thing I was able to put my phone there. You know what I'm saying? So I can let it charge and all that, which is good. And also, I'm about to probably install the magnet, but I'm not going to do that right away. So this is good, you know what I'm saying? And once you put the magnet on, it's going to stick and it's not going to move. It's not going to shake. Nothing crazy, you feel me? So, you know, I'm really grateful that I did this wireless charging thing to my car because I just wanted to do it, you know? So if anybody need to charge their phone or whatever, and if their wireless part is compatible, boom, they good. You know what I'm saying? So that way I won't have to use, you know, my plugs much. But this is like helpful. I feel like, you know, this is cool and all that. I'm very, very grateful to have it and stuff like that. The way I did this is that I modified this, you know what I'm saying? But my regular parts right here, like I unscrewed this piece right here. Look, as you can see, this was supposed to go on this, but I couldn't do that because this don't fit like on the screen, you feel me? So I had to find a way to modify it and all. And also, you know, if anybody didn't have this radio, this would be easier for y'all to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just had this and all you had to do is install this regularly. But the way I installed it is so different. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just modified my shit just because, you know what I'm saying? So they have the instructions over here. Like, look, they have the instructions over here as well. I'm just gonna guide you through it for a little bit. You know, it tells you how to, you know, take it apart. It tells you, it explains to you about the Magnum that you put on the back of your phone, like iPhone 8 Plus or 10 or 11 or X, or, you know, Samsung phone or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Then it shows you over here how to move the shifter, like the unscrew it. But I didn't unscrew it. You know, all I had to do is turn on to accessory or whatever and just shift it back, and I had to put the brake lock on, emergency brake, so that way my car won't move, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it tells you right here. But this is different, you know, like, why would I undo this knowing damn well I could just move this, you know what I'm saying, and put it on neutral and stuff? But anyways, and then it shows you over here like how to take this out and stuff like that. All you have to do is unscrew the bottoms and the tops over here. But mine wasn't like that because, you know, I installed this, you know, a long time ago. I already installed this, so that's why my thing is different, you know what I'm saying? So everybody's car is different. You know, if your shit was stock like mine, you'll have this with the bottom part, and then, you know, it'll be easier for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So I'ma definitely, the link is in the description, by the way, about this for anybody that's interested in installing this wireless charger into your car, so your life could be easier, you know what I'm saying? Mine's is different. Mine's is, the way I install mine is different. Like, I had to do some modifications, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had a drill, I had a cut to make it fit and all that, which is crazy. But, you know, I did what's working for me, basically. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm really, really grateful, like I said. You know, but I honestly want to thank everybody for watching this video right here. You know what I'm saying? The link is in the description, and I got more videos coming up soon. Your boy, Mr. 534, is off this. Peace.